talking last week when he was making his scoops about making standoffs. So this is what I use. Use little nylon spacers that you can buy at your local hardware store. And they come all the way up to an inch. And I slip a piece of clear milk hose over them at whatever length you want it to be. You cut your milk hose. I use milk hose to clear so it doesn't make marks on my lighter colored woods. And you can make them whatever length you want by buying whatever length bolt you need. And if you can't find the length you want, you can always turn the nylon spacer on your lathe. So
good idea.
Good tip, Scott.
Yeah.
Here's one of my.
You say that's milk hose?
That's milk hose. So they're 3/8 nylon spacers, and they fit the screw perfectly that you use to put in your chuck. The hole comes already pre-drilled, and that 3/8 spacer fits over the 3/8 milk hose ID, fits right over the top and slides on real nice.
Nice.
So just
Cool.
another idea for making standoffs.
Yep, good idea, Scott. Thank you.